साथ बड़ा कत्लेआम हुआ पेशावर में, क्या दुख आप?
जी हाँ, ये बहुत ही डिस्गस्टिंग हुआ है एंड इस्लाम के अंदर एक बेगुनाह की जान लेना मतलब कि पूरे इंसानियत का कत्ल करना है। सिंपल है, इस्लाम का मतलब पीस है। तो दिस इज़ जस्ट पीपल, ये इस्लामिक तो है ही नहीं, ये जैसे ऐसे ही लोग हैं जो कि अपने फ़ायदे के लिए ये सब घटिया जलील हरकतें कर रहे हैं।
Heart breaking, you know, but what can you do? What can you do? You can only pray. I think everyone should pray for them, you know, because they need us. They need us dua.
इसके बारे में जब खबर मिली तो it was very very disturbing. You somehow feel like you're losing faith in humanity. ऐसा लगता है कि पता नहीं what's happening, where the world is going. ये साल ख़त्म हो रहा है and I hope ये साल जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाए because ये बहुत अच्छा नहीं था साल. There are a lot of things like this which have happened all over the world which are very troublesome, and I really think all of us need to think about where the world is going and what we're doing as human beings, and it cannot be sadder than this. Children are the future and children are the most innocent thing in this world, and I can't consider anybody human who does anything to children at all. So it's not something which can be considered human. It's not something which, these people don't belong to any religion, they don't belong to any country, they are not human. That's all I can say.
It was a senseless act of unspeakable horror, unspeakable brutality. Killing innocent children in the name of God is not religion. It is absolutely horrendous and horrific.
जैसे आप देख रहे हो कि ये जो हैशटैग है इंडिया विद पाकिस्तान, वो बहुत ट्रेंड हुआ है, तो वो क्लियरली स्टेट करता है कि हमें पीस चाहिए, वॉर नहीं। और बेचारे मासूम बच्चों की जान लेना ये कोई टेररिज्म नहीं हुआ, ये इट्स क्लियर कट डेथ ऑफ ह्यूमैनिटी, एंड ये सब नहीं, लाइक इसको आगे नहीं कभी होना चाहिए। उम्मीद यही है, दुआ भी यही है। तो और डीप कंडोलेंसेस फॉर the families who have lost their loved ones.
I said everything that I had to say on my Twitter handle. I'm really shocked at what's happening in this world, especially when it's happening with these young kids. I think it's very very sad, and we really need to get a reality check as human beings. Don't know where humanity is going actually. So, yeah.
Children are the way forward. Children are the way for humanity, and I believe it's really really sad what's happened. It's questioned the basic humane tendency for human beings, and it's sad. I don't know if we can currently proactively do anything about it, but yes, it's astonishing. Really.
बड़ी अफसोस की बात है. I'm very disappointed and disheartened that it's happening. I feel very uncomfortable talking about it actually, but I don't think kids should be subjected to any kind of mistreatment, especially even raising a hand in school is wrong मेरे हिसाब से. तो मेरे लिए एक बहुत ही बड़ी मतलब दुखी चीज़ थी. I was not happy at all. But yeah, I'd rather not talk about these things right now. Let's celebrate the night and have a good time. Yeah?
It's a tragedy, and I have to say that this kind of stuff, where people are killing children in the name of religion, is absolutely stupid. It's definitely not the Islam I follow, and I think these people should be persecuted. And I think as together as nations, we should come down on these people very hard, because there's no place for fundamentalism in our world anymore.
There's lots of these things happening in the world all over, man. I mean, whether it's Iraq or Syria or here or Pakistan or Yemen or all over. I mean, it's all crap happening, and the point is that people are very gullible. There's a lot of hate going on. You have to break that. So we individually have to think of, instilling love rather than instilling hate in people. That's the most important thing at the moment.
मैं तो घुस जाता और सबको साफ कर देता, बट अगर मैं प्रधानमंत्री होता तो, बट इट्स एज इज easier said than done. But I think Narendra Modi is doing a brilliant job in 8 months. So I think if we have a leader like him, we should see something good happening.